Right, so the job's done. We've dug it out for the plumber. He may need a bit more done. But anyway, we'll find out tomorrow. Yeah, so here we go. We're going for a ride on the mini digger. Can you grab the tape measure, please? And right behind us is Shed Dog. You going to move? I'm going to start the machine. There she goes. Righto. Laid up, turn ourselves around. Lay down. Whoop. Bucket down. Righto, there we go. All done. Dog, job. That's it. Not that you can hear me over the noise of this thing, but the job is done. The inspector's coming to have a look. There you go. You're going to have a look, Inspector? Right. Easy Quip Tiger, Chinese mini excavator. Done a great job. Saves us a lot of back brake. And we'll turn the fuel off. Where is it? There it is. Right. It's always recommended to turn the fuel off because it stops it going into the carby when it's sitting for a while. All right.